These are the SteelSeries GameBuds, and they've actually gone ahead and replaced my gaming headphones, and for a good reason. So these do have Bluetooth. Also, we have the 2.4 gigahertz adapter as well. So if you're gonna go ahead and plug this on your PC, there's like no delay, which is great. And these do work with your PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, and all that stuff as well. So there's really no issues at all. And when it comes down to battery life, you're getting around 10 hours. And then with the charging case here, which has a Qi wireless charging, can last about 40 hours. So putting these earbuds on, they don't really stick out that much, as you can see here. And if you're wearing gaming headphones, I don't think you're gonna have any issues with these as well. And plus, you're not getting that dent in your head. So that's a big plus there. So these do have ANC. And one thing I found out since on my PC, sometimes my fans are a little bit on the louder side when I'm gaming. The fans are, I can really hear them. Or if I have like the window open and there's like traffic, that kind of works very well when it comes to that. They're not like the perfect ANC, but they work really well for those situations. And this is how kind of everything looks like here on my ear, so how much it's sticking out. And they don't look that bad. So when it comes to sound quality, these do a great job on the bass side of it. So mids and bass are really good on these. One thing that I really appreciate what SteelSeries did here is that you're able to go ahead and use your phone to go ahead and apply the presets. So there's so many EQs you can go ahead and use. So you don't really need to install anything on your PCs. Now going through the app here and just checking out what we can do here. So at the top we can see the battery life for the left, right, and also the case as well here. And we can see currently what it's using. So I have it on Bluetooth. And if I want to go ahead and switch to the 2.4 gigahertz adapter that we saw here, so that's for my PC, I can just go ahead and click here. And then the EQs that I was talking about here, we are able to set so many of them. So there's like, if I scroll down here, so there's like 238 EQs. If you wanted to do like some custom EQs, you have the option to do that with a Sonar, but you will need to install that on your PC. But on the app, I don't really even think you're gonna need to really go ahead and adjust EQs by yourself, because there's like so many games you're able to choose from here, which one of them is gonna definitely fit your need. Going to the next section here, we have noise control, so toggle on and off. So that's for the ANC. So you have the option to go low, medium, high. So even right now, I was hearing the fans before. Right now, I don't hear anything. And then we also have transparency mode as well. So this makes it so you can hear the outside noise. Even my voice right now, I can hear it now. The next section is the microphone here. I'm gonna go ahead and test these out so you can hear it for yourself. And then the last thing here is the volume limiter. Going to the settings here, so we are on 1.70 firmware, power options, and wear sensing, and then button mapping. So we do have single press and double press. So if I go under single press, you're able to set those presets to whatever you want here, like volume up or mute, unmute, and all that stuff. And it's actually a button you have to press. It's not like touch or anything. So right now, everything you're hearing is coming directly from the GameBuds here. So I've got the chance to play around with these. So Black Ops 6, and you're able to kind of hear the enemies where they are, so you're able to definitely make those out. And the presets actually do help, because most of the time whenever you're playing around with presets, when it comes to gaming headsets, they don't do that much. But with these, you can definitely notice the difference right away. Also, I've gone ahead and watched some series and also listened to some music on these, and they do sound good. I would say like the mids and the bass are really good on these. Definitely deeper bass you're getting with these. When it comes to the highs, you're able to go ahead and adjust the presets, then it sounds good. But on the flat, if you have the EQ on flat, it seems a little bit of on the muffled side. But if you go ahead and choose the right presets, then it kind of fixes that issue, which is good. If you're someone who casually uses headphones and you're more of a speaker guy, I think the GameBuds here do a really good job. Personally, they've gone ahead and replaced my headphones because I just find them easier to go ahead and just stick them on. And the PC adapter works great. So you're not getting there's like no latency, which is awesome. And you're also getting the Bluetooth part as well. So if you want to go ahead and use your phone to go ahead and listen to some music, they work pretty good too. Really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions about these GameBuds here, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. I'll see you on the next video.